Okay, so here is the new and improved automatic chicken water bucket. If you'll notice, it has this section on the bottom that can be plugged in, and that is a heated element. Now I've added these little black things that will allow you to tie this cord in place when you're using it during the summer, and you don't need to plug it in and use the heated option. But then this lid has that for being able to hang it, which will work nice. And then this lid can easily come off. And then inside here, we have a float valve. So during the warm months, you can hook it up to a garden hose and have it refill. And then during the winter time, you'd end up cutting off the zip ties that would be holding this cord in place during the warm months. And then you would plug this in and then just manually refill it. So I think this is a 2-gallon, and you would just remove that. So I think this is basically the best of both worlds. Having the built-in heated base. Now, this only comes with 3 spots, partly because the cord is coming out of the back, and so we don't want the chickens to be messing around there. But leave a comment in the chat if you have any questions about this product.